Hello, this is Hugo Almeida with Abitronics, and today I briefly want to share with all my sales people out there, our community, whether you're in the telecom or the data networking world, wireless world, 3 potential revenue generating key points that can bring more money and not leave money on that table. Now, we all know as salespeople, right, that the hardest thing is to capture that account. Now, the beauty about yourself is that you already have so many accounts out there, whether it's the medical field, education, hospitality, whatever it may be. I'm going to give you 3 additional potentially revenue generating fields that you can capture and actually increase that portfolio you currently have. Now, the first thing is you walk into the lobby of any corporation. Sometimes they have LCDs out there, sometimes they don't, but if they don't, that right away to me says, you know what? Let me capture the video piece. I already have potentially the data and the voice piece of this business. So you're already in there and you already have the ear of the key decision-making people. So let's talk video. It's so easy to add digital signage. You can just modulate and stream over a coax cable right to that LCD or LED in the lobby. And you know what? If they don't have it, let's put one up on that wall. Number 2, I'm in the lobby, I'm looking at my cell phone, I'm losing signal. All of a sudden now, boom, let's boost your cellular signal in the building. Now think about it. Think about a large corporation, small, medium, or large enterprise. You're in the front lobby, some executive has to run into the warehouse, all of a sudden, boom, you get cut off. Well, it's important to take that cell signal, boost it, and distribute it, just like any wireless application with access points. The same thing, but we're applying it to the cellular world. And finally, surveillance. It is a key factor in everyday life today. Why not touch upon the possibility of adding to a network which has surveillance already, or maybe a small solution, medium. Now, I understand that's a whole world in itself. Believe me, it can get complex. But if you're dealing with a small, medium enterprise account, you might just be able to deliver that solution. I'm briefly going to show you those 3 points and share them with you. So hang in there. We're going to touch upon the 3 actual pieces of equipment you will need to actually sell that solution. Thank you. So I mentioned several ways of generating revenue. Well, here we are. I'm standing in the lobby of our company, but I want to show you how easy it is to identify those additional opportunities. Now, in a lobby you're already walking into, it's your account. You already have the ear of the key decision makers. Look around. Here, for example, we already have a 50-inch LED streaming our content. We choose to send the content, and that's the beauty of digital signage. Now, we modulate our channels from a little head end we created in another room, but we distribute the content as we choose to. Now, in this case, we're streaming CNN live, but the beauty of this is that you can offer a simple solution to your customer, and the amount of revenue you can generate off of that simple solution can actually grow throughout the enterprise account. Doesn't matter, small, medium, large. Now, I'm going to share with you the other 2 solutions that I mentioned. How to generate more revenue. Come on. So I had mentioned earlier how we go about boosting that cell signal, whether it's your small, your medium, your large enterprise account. This is as simple as it gets. A couple antennas mounted on the rooftop. Now, it doesn't matter the size of your location. If it's a small company, 3,500 square feet, it's simple, inexpensive. And our people here at Abitronics, we're here to support your sales staff with the proper solution for your account. Now, once you get into larger applications, maybe 20,000 square feet, 40,000 square feet and above, it doesn't change too much, but we are also here to support you to make sure that you can deliver the right solution for your account. Now, I'm going to show you another way to generate the revenue that I was talking about earlier. Come on in. So the third and final money generating opportunity that I wanted to share with you is surveillance. Let's not leave the money on the table. Now, granted, surveillance can possibly be in a world of its own. But if you're servicing maybe a small or medium enterprise account, why not offer it to them? It's not that complicated for those smaller solutions. Now here, for example, I'm sharing with you on our giant iPad a monitor of all the cameras, well, not really all of them, but most of them, just to give you an idea, the selection process of the key cameras at key locations. That is why Avitronics is here. We're here to support your staff on identifying those solutions, making sure that we select the proper cameras and place them at the right locations. I hope these 3 potentially money-generating ideas spark that light bulb in all my salespeople out there. Remember this, you already have the accounts. Why not open the possibilities? Until our next training video, my friends, Hugo Almeida with Avitronics. You have yourself a great day. Thank you.